Hello guys, welcome to Droid Crunch and I'm Lokesh Kapoor. In this video we're going to see this add-on called Droid Dark Mode, and the use of this add-on is to make your website having a feature that can turn light mode or dark mode on website. So if a user wants to see dark mode, they can see in dark mode, and if they want to keep light mode, then they can keep it to light mode. So if you have seen like on our website droidcrunch.com, we also have this feature. Okay, so it makes it dark mode and light mode, and it would work for all the pages as well, right? But we're not using this add-on, but definitely it works like the same way. So I will show you how you can use this one out. So first of all, you can download this add-on from droidthemes.com. I will leave a link in the description so you can check out this add-on, and if you like it, you can download it. And after activating the license, you can check out the general license, general settings, and here you can enable it for front end and back end. I would make it for front end because I don't want it to show on the back end or manipulate the settings of the backend. And then there's some display settings where you can set the style for your switch button. I will keep it to this one, looks good to me. And then you can have some settings for its position, like bottom center. You can make it on bottom left, top right, wherever you want. I'll keep it to bottom center. You can make it conditional, like where to show on the pages, before content or after content, and then you can exclude some elements. Before settings everything, I will just show you the page. So let me reload this one out. Okay, so you can see this light and dark mode. Okay, it would work like this. Perfect. And here you can exclude some elements. For example, I have this page right there, this one. So for example, if I make it dark, this text color turns white from black, right? What if I want to make it keep it black, or I want to exclude this one? So I'll give it a class custom text, and I will give the same class in my settings using the selector, and then save it. Now what happens if I reload this page? Now when I click on this dark mode, I will reload it once again. Still it works. So what is missing? It's custom text right there. And okay, it was post content, right? This post content, this one we have selected, not this one. So what happens? But we cannot see it from this one. We will need to make it custom text. Okay, let's choose it. Now let's reload this page. Okay, now let's make it dark mode. So you can see it's not changing, right? It's keeping to its default color, right? And what are the other features? You can set custom classes for your IDs and all that. And then you have some advanced settings where you can add task switch in primary menu. So whatever you have in your appearance menus, you will be able to add the switch button in your menu. And you can have image quality, set brightness, contrast, and opacity in images in the dark mode. When you click it, so for example, you can set it this one. And when you save the setting, by default what happens when I click it, it remains same image. Okay, image is the same, but now when I reload this page, you will be able to see a difference. So on the dark mode, its brightness is very less, right? Image turns less bright. Okay, and the same way you can set some contrast in all that. And if you want to change the complete image, or probably you have some other image that you have made with your Photoshop, then you can definitely use it as well in this setting where it says dark image here, and you can replace image by here's normal mode and here's a dark mode. For example, I show you with this image. I open this image in new page, save it, and I name it light image in your notes folder, save it, and then I go to Photoshop and open it. Light image, and it is. So for example, I just do a little bit of changes. I go to adjustments, and what I do, I give it a little bit of hue. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, it's okay for me. So it's for dark mode. Okay, now I save it. Looks cool. And I am at dark image. Now I save it in downloads, and now I go to my settings. First of all, media gallery, and upload this image, and here it is, dark image. Okay, now it's uploaded. I can copy this URL and paste it right there, and in the normal photo I can copy this URL and paste it right there and save the settings. Now when I reload this page, you can see the change. We have this image which we uploaded, right? But it is also making it more change, like it is giving extra change to it. So we can get back to what is advanced settings and turn this off so that it only gives us this thing. Okay, so now it is the same image that we have um, edited. Okay, so now you have image quality options as well. You can reduce the brightness, contrast, or opacity, and you can have page-wise dark mode options enabled. With this setting you can exclude some pages. Okay, and some block settings are there to make it for some categories. Okay, and you can also set it for single post dark mode, for all posts. Okay, or for some specific posts you can select here. You can also have some WooCommerce settings. So basically you can set for different post types or settings where to set this dark mode option enabled, and you have some preset colors. So by default it gives you color 1, that is white and black. You can make it red, green, little bit blue, violet, orange, and all that. You can also set some custom colors, and you can change it for a dark mode. And this was dark image, and this is time based settings. So you can enable dark mode between a time range. You can set the time and end time. So for example, if your website visitors are from any location, so you can set the time based on your location, and you can set the same time mapping in your settings in general. Okay, and time zone, so it would work for that purpose. So this is all for this Android dark mode, and you can easily use it, and it gives you very immersive control. For example, I have this one, uh, its color is red, it is having a little bit of blue, and it is having white. So background body is white, this column background is a little bit of blue, and then this intersection is having a background color of red. So it you don't have to do anything, it will automatically make everything dark. Perfect. It would adjust automatically like this. So it is a setting like this. For example, you have to change your desktop and screensaver. So you have some colors, and you can see this text is black. Okay, but when I keep a dark color, for example this one, it turns white, right? So it adjusts automatically based on the color that I choose. So if I choose this color, it is black. When I choose this color, it is white. So this way the plugin works, and it is very super useful if you are in need of something like this. So you can utilize it. It's very lightweight, and you can use on any of your website, and you can also set it on your menu. You can set it anywhere, and you can explore more about this plugin. You can check out the link in description and know more about Droid Dark Mode. So this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye bye.